Joy and Maria, they are going to be helping me make lemonade. So, guys, tell the ingredients. We have
ice. We have some lemon. We have a jar of water.
and
We have a normal cup. And we have syrup.
yeah. So let's begin. So first we'll squeeze the lemons. Joy, how about you start first? Then me, then Maria. Okay. Guys, this lemonade is very healthy. You guys can drink this. It's made out of real lemons. Next up is Maria. Now my turn.
Now we're going to put the sugar syrup.
Now my turn. Now we are going to be adding the water, just a little bit. Now we're going to be putting the ice. Joyce, you start first. Then me, then Maria. Oh my God, so cold.
Maria, it's your turn.
Again,
Now we'll put the lemons.
the lemons are added. We are putting the lemons just for a topping. This is what you call lemonade. Really fresh. Now we are going to test the lemonade.
Can I try first?
Yeah, sure. How does it taste like?
It tastes so good. Your turn.
Now it's my turn to test. Ooh, it tastes really good. You guys have to try this. Now your turn.
Make sure to try this at home.
Tastes good, right?
Yeah. Make sure to try this at home. It tastes very good. Please subscribe to Vlogmaster Asil.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.